Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Let me discuss about the process Pylon a fast method for human head detection in range images. Let me discuss about the process Pylon a fast method for human head detection in range images. Initially, the input video is converted into frames. Then we are adding Gaussian noises to the frames so that the noises will degrade and it is then pre-processed using Gaussian filter. So after pre-processing, the frames were very much clear and objects in the frames were much clear to identify. Then we are applying the DWT to the frames so that the images were split into coefficients, that is based on the different types of filters which is present in the DWT. Then after that we apply segmentation in order to get the foreground objects present in the video. For that we are applying a background subtraction. So in background subtraction we use frame differencing method. So we are subtracting the original frames from the empty background so that we get a foreground objects only. And then finally we are tracking the objects by plotting a rectangle over them so that the persons were tracked from in the whole video from starting to the ending frames. Let me discuss about the flow of the process Pylon a fast method for human head detection in range images. So we have done this process using videos. Initially the videos were taken and they were converted into frames like this. Then after that pre-processing is applied to the frames. Before that noises are added to the frames. So for adding noise we are adding some Gaussian noises to the input frames, and then we are pre-processing it using the Gaussian filter. So the Gaussian filter smoothes the input images and produces some clear images. So they were saved and the pre-processing operation is the initial step in all the image processing tasks. So we are doing it. Then after that we are going to the DWT process. So in DWT process initially the images, the frames were split into 4 coefficients based on the different type of filters available. So using wavelets we are separating the input image into some coefficients and after that we are segmenting the required object of interest using background subtraction method. So for background subtraction we are using frame differencing method. So we are subtracting the frames from the empty background so that we get a foreground object, and based on the obtained foreground object we are tracking the persons in the video by measuring their height, center position and like that. So finally we are tracking persons in the video. Let me discuss the running procedure of the process Pylon a fast method for human head detection in range images. If you want to run the code, select the file main.m which is located in the source code folder. Right click it and click on run file. So you will select any video which is given in the data. So select the video. So here first the input video is loaded. Here the input video is playing. After that the input video is converted into frames like that. Then noises are added to the input video. Then this is the pre-processed video. Here in this video the noises were added and it is pre-processed using the Gaussian. Now we are applying DWT to the input video, and 4 coefficients were denoted like this. The foreground objects were segmented and they were saved in the folder background, and based on this the persons in the video were tracked. So here the persons in the videos are tracked. So if the persons were very much closer means they were tracked as a whole, and when they move on then they will be tracked separately like this. So this continues for the whole frame, and this is the execution of this process. So in this process we have tracked persons in the video, so that we are tracking the persons in the video, multiple persons in the video, using the background segmentation and other processes. Similarly, you can give the videos that we have that are given by us. Thank you.